Welcome to Positive Trader. Which currencies should you trade in Forex? Or which currency pair should you trade in Forex? Let's clarify that and find out now. Let's open MetaTrader 4 and find out. There are two things that I want to mention when it comes to picking or selecting the best currency pair or currencies that you can trade in Forex. Number one, do not be a follower. Do not be a follower. What do I mean when I say do not be a follower? I mean you have a lot to choose here, but what you do, you see someone who's trading US tech, which is Nasdaq, someone who's trading gold, someone who's trading GBP USD, someone who's trading Euro USD or any instrument, and what you do, you follow them because you see the profit that they are making. You see something that you like, which when it comes to Forex, you are making the biggest mistake because you don't know the profit, the target profit. You don't know stop loss that they are using. So you are putting yourself and your account at risk. And now, number two, you must know the basics. You must know the basics when it comes to Forex. When I say the basics, I mean you must know how Forex works. When you know how Forex works, you will know how the currencies work. You will know which currency you should choose, which currencies you should trade, or which currency pair you should trade. You will know when it comes to choosing the best currency pair. Let's go back to number one. Number one, do not be a follower. Rather be a student. Learn, make up your own decision and mind. Because being a follower is not going to help you in the long run. It is not going to help you in the long run. Do not be a follower. Be a student. Learn. Be selective. So here, when you learn the spread. You learn the currency. And you learn the movement. Because now you want to know which is the best currency. Whether you're a technical trader or you're a fundamental, you learn the movement, you learn the spread. You learn the movement, you learn the spread, and you learn the stop loss. Also with the take profit, you learn 4 things. So now that you have learned those things, you can know which currency pair you should trade. So because you have too many choices here, and it's going to take up too much of your time. So what I recommend you to do, stick with only the major. Choose only the major. Choose only the major. Stick with the major only, which is GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD, and the rest. Pick up the major only. Deal with them. Let's go to number two. Number two, what happened is that someone who's trading US tech and someone who's trading gold or GBP USD, those people, they're the same. Any currency pair that you can trade, we are the same. The Forex market is balanced. Forex market is balanced. Any currency pair that you see here is the same, is balanced. It has a way of being balanced. So if you trade, for example, you trade GBP USD and someone is trading gold. If I profit 100 pips on GBP USD, someone will profit 1,000 pips in gold. So it is the same amount that we're going to profit. But you want to profit less because of spread. For me, I can profit more because I have less spread on GBP USD. Stop loss is less, and on gold stop loss is higher. So those are the fundamentals that you have to know when it comes to picking and selecting the best currencies that you can trade in Forex. If there is something that you don't understand or you want to ask me, please leave a comment on the section below. I'll attend to you. God bless everybody. Yours truly, Brother Trader, signing out. And be blessed.